The need and significance of this study. Every year, natural disasters strike northeast India, resulting in loss of lives and infrastructure. Significant variation in the terrain and livelihood characteristics make disaster management a tricky and complex task. Unprecedented growth in urban clusters and land degradation also attributes to increasing disaster management and risk reduction complexities. For an effective disaster management framework, one requires accurate and precise assessment of spatial temporal complexities of different natural disasters. The application of advanced technologies is required to construe non-linearities and complexities of these natural disasters. Space technologies are effective in mapping disaster-affected areas, identifying affected regions. Vulnerability and risk assessment can also be performed effectively. Space technology for providing services related to remote sensing, weather forecasting, satellite navigation systems, and long-distance communication systems. Remote sensing to acquire data about physical characteristics of Earth's surface. GIS for capturing, storing, processing, and visualizations of spatial data. GPS to help provide services related to positioning, navigation, and timing. AI is the ability of learning from experience and mimic human intelligence. With unprecedented increase in data volumes, principle of artificial intelligence has become an absolute necessity for extracting meaningful information in the context of need. It saves time and resources. The principle of AI can be applied to make existing systems and products intelligent through its ability in analyzing huge data sets in lesser time, and that too at deeper levels. Machine learning can be considered as an application of artificial intelligence, as it enables systems to learn automatically. It can help in improving the experience of a system without having any external support. Approaches such as supervised learning algorithms, unsupervised learning algorithms, and reinforcement learning methods are used for machine learning. The entire region needs to be segregated into hotspots in the context of vulnerabilities to different types of possible natural disasters. Each hotspot needs to be associated with occurrence probabilities of different natural disasters. Hotspot densities need to be quantified in different administrative boundaries to identify priority regions. Exposure area needs to be mapped. There needs to be an assessment of differential vulnerabilities. Results of differential vulnerabilities need to be superimposed with different hotspots to quantify the probable risks in the context of social and physical. Local variables need to be developed and incorporated for representing local complexities and available options. Digital terrain and network analysis needs to be performed to develop a robust framework for effective evacuation of people in high-risk areas. Development of a single platform, that is, a kind of geoportal where all relevant information of Northeast in the context of disaster risk reduction and management will be available. This will help in construing the spatial temporal complexities of region, which would be instrumental in taking timely and precise measures for disaster management. The geoportal would have a dedicated intelligent module for multi-hazard analysis in a hyperlocal scenario. This will help in identifying the precise measures which are relevant in local scenario for containing the effect of a disaster or reducing the possibility of its occurrence. A module will be provided for incorporating local knowledge. Based on the information available in this module, scenarios can be generated in real time. User-driven analytics module will be provided in the geoportal. This will enable users to assess the scenario according to their need and at the scale they want. Disaster risk module will be available in the geoportal to provide details of all possibilities in the risk areas. analysis, and information from this module can be instrumental for individuals to various industries, such as tourism, especially in Northeast India.